Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo Fire Sign. This is July mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo Fire Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? My God. Straight message, separation. Think lots of you are in separation. Say straight message. Leo, fire signs. Okay. Under the deck, 10 of Wands, Queen of Cups, 4 of Wands, and 5 of Wands. So under the deck, 10 of Wands. So you are feeling overburdened, Leo. Maybe you are doing a lot of work in these times. That's why you're feeling overburdened. You have no time. For some, maybe your emotions are running high due to separation. But you still have strong emotions. You are very caring and sharing person, Leo. For some, you both are in twin flame journey 11 and 11. So let's see our reading. Recent past, 8 of Cups, 7 of Swords, and Death. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. You walked away from this connection because this person is not trustworthy. They are sneaky. They played a lot of mind games with you. They are in and out of your life. For some, third party involved in this connection. Yes. That's why you walked away. It was ended between you and your person. Lots of you. Maybe if you are in relationship with this person right now, this is on and off and lot of issues are going. Then present, Emperor, the Fool, and Queen of Swords. You are taking your control back. Maybe your person have a lot of ego because you always there for your person, but they are not available to you when you need them. So you are going with the flow, living in the present moment, the Fool energy. So you are setting boundaries and you cut off this person from your life, Queen of Swords. And you're taking your control back. Then future, Queen of Wands, Knight of Cups, and the World. Some cycles are ended between you and your person. If not, are going to be ended. And you are taking your control back. But someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you. For some, this could be a brand new person, Knight of Cups, and they're in slow moving energy. For some, it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Leo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. So under the deck, 6 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, and Temperance. Maybe Sagittarius, the person involved in this connection could be. And your person is very independent emotionally and financially. I think they treated you as an option or they ghosted you suddenly. They neglecting you, whatever. But now want to offer equal give and take. There is no equal give and take in this connection. That's why you walked away. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Leo, their current feelings and intentions towards you. Magician, 4 of Cups, 9 of Wands. They're not showing their emotions, but they're still attracted to you. They want reconciliation with you and they're planning to communicate with you. Lots of communication is coming, but right now they're not showing their emotions. But for some, they're manifesting you. They're missing you so much. and Nine of Wands, but they're thinking about you. Even though they're not expressing their feelings, they're thinking about you and they're planning to communicate with you. they still have a lot of passion for you. So let's see their intentions, Leo. See, Seven of Swords here. I think there are some trust issues. Yes, they played games with you in past. That's why you walked away. There is no trust. Chariot. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Cancer. Nine of Cups. They're wishing for this connection. Yes, they're coming back. But they're in very, very slow moving energy. They do love you. But sometimes, yeah, they want to make a move suddenly, but they're holding back because the Emperor, they have ego issues. And Two of Cups, this love is mutual. But this time they're going to be make a move and they really love you. Maybe they're realizing your worth. In past, maybe they played games with you, but now they're thinking about you a lot and they're wishing for this connection. But I think Seven of Swords is here. So maybe this person is not trustworthy. Be careful. Again, they may be playing games with you for some. Not for all, for some. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. If same cycle repeating between you and your person, they are not changing, then there is no point to wait for them, guys. So think twice before making any decision. Knight of Swords. Yeah, there is communication is coming. They are in rush to talk with you and this love is mutual. I think you cut off this person but you still have strong emotions towards this person. King of Cups with Ace of Pentacles. Now they're ready. Now they really want to offer long-term commitment, but it's totally up to you. See, you are thinking about them and you are taking rest and you are healing. Four of Swords, no context. Yes, you're feeling stuck. You can't make any decision right now. That's why you are taking rest and thinking peacefully. And right now you are guarded up, Leo. You are guarded up. You are not available to them, but thinking to make a decision. But you're feeling stuck. So let's see mutual. Yeah, I think you are taking your time. You turn your back from your person, but they won't give up on you. They will fight for your attention. They will fight for your love. Yeah, there are some obstacles in this connection, but they want to overcome. But there are some trust issues because Seven of Swords came twice in this reading. This person is not trustworthy, but then it's up to you. Yeah, a lot of issues: backstabbing, miscommunication, false communication, and you both have a lot of attraction between you and your person. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Soulmates, I realized my mistake. I can't give you what you need. Please wait for me. I always thinking about you. I want to be with you forever. So the messages are soulmates. I realized my mistake. I can't give you what you need. Please wait for me. I always thinking about you and I want to be with you forever. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo energy. So whatever you are doing in your work area or anything, just be confident because confidence is your key to success. Okay, balance spirituality and practicality. Full moon in Pisces energy. So if you are doing a lot of work and don't do any meditation, you are not doing any meditation, so this is the message for you. Do meditation. Balance both spirituality and practicality. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.